I have taken a full HD sequence with 2 footages. The play button MOGRT file is in the video's description. Drag the template on top of your videos. You can easily change the main name and tag name. You can also change the colors if you wish. Now, we want it to achieve a smooth results, so click on the second footage. Go to Effects Control and click on Position. Adjust the anchor point to the right and create a keyframe. Move to the end where the opener leaves, and adjust the position. Ease in and out of the keyframes. After rendering, let's see the final results.